Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Netflix maturity rating settings, viewing control step by step clearly. Open Netflix in a web browser on your computer or phone. Sign in to the Netflix account that manages the profiles. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the section called Profiles and Parental Controls. Choose the profile you want to control. Click Viewing Restrictions or Maturity Rating Settings for that profile. If Netflix asks, enter your account password to continue. Find the Maturity Rating slider or rating options on the screen. Read the rating labels carefully so you understand what each level allows. Drag the slider to the rating level you want for that profile. Set it to Kids if you want only child-friendly titles. Set it to Teens if you want limited teen-appropriate content. Set it to Adults if you want the full catalog without rating limits. Look for the option to block specific titles if you need extra control. Type the name of a movie or series you want to block in the title box. Select the title from the suggestions to add it to the blocked list. Repeat the search to block more titles if necessary. Check whether there is an option to require a PIN to access this profile. Turn on Profile Lock if you want to prevent kids from switching profiles. Create a 4-digit PIN that is easy for you to remember but hard to guess. Confirm the PIN when Netflix asks you to re-enter it. Scroll to the bottom of the page to find the Save button. Click Save to apply the new maturity rating and restrictions. Wait a few seconds to make sure Netflix confirms your changes. Test the profile by switching to it and searching for restricted content. If you still see unwanted titles, refresh the app or sign out and back in. Repeat the same process for other profiles you want to manage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.